What's up, guys? Welcome to another edition of Ken's Ghetto Kitchen. Today we're going to be making one of Marissa's favorite cheap ghetto appetizers.
Bruschetta.
Yeah, if you don't have any Italian bread or any kind of bruschetta type bread, you can use anything. So we're going to use some whole wheat. You can use white bread for this. You can use literally any bread you have in the house, and if you have some tomatoes, they don't have to be this size. You can use regular size tomatoes.
Yeah, you can use like a big tomato and cut it.
Yeah, you can use like 1 or 2 slices of tomato. We're gonna walk you through this. We're gonna show you, what exactly we do, and hopefully it goes well. This is like one of those videos where we need a camera like up close, and we don't really have that, I guess. All right, so bear with us because I'm holding the camera now, and Marissa is going to. You're gonna make this. You're gonna make this ghetto bruschetta. We're gonna show you guys how to do it.
I thought I was barely in it, but here I go.
Here you go.
So,
the ingredients you're gonna need: some whole milk mozzarella, any type of bread, any type of tomato. You're gonna need some minced garlic and some Italian seasoning. You'll need some butter or some soft spread. It doesn't have to be soft spread. If you want to use actual butter, you can. But that is a very key ingredient, because if you don't use this and then you overdo it with the garlic, it kind of burns,
And we use this by choice.
Yes, you don't have to use that, but we use it just because we don't want to get any charred marks on our pan from bread. If in case of an accident, we end up burning it. So
it's easy cleanup.
Yeah, very, very easy cleanup.
So I'm gonna layer my pan here with aluminum foil.
Just a single layer. You don't have to go crazy with many layers.
Alright.
Step 1. Butter your bread. Yeah, butter it. Get it on there. Yeah. Don't feel bad about doing too much butter, because you can actually get away with using quite a bit. You don't want it to be too thin of a layer, because then you're just going to have toast. You want it to be kind of creamy. Guys, while you're here, hit that subscribe button, hit the thumbs up, and leave a comment down below if you have any cheap recipes or any kitchen hacks.
Thumbs up for being awkward.
Yeah, thumbs up for awkward people too, because we're pretty awkward. And if you like pizza bites, come back next week for that. The next thing you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to cut your tomatoes, in half?
Yeah, I just cut them right in half. I mean, for these, we cut them in half. If it was the bigger one, then...
Yeah, obviously you don't cut a full-size tomato in half and throw it on there.
You'll see, like, you have to use your own judgment how you want to do it, so...
Always get your parents' permission before using sharp objects.
Yes. So
even if you're in your 30s.
For these, we're gonna literally cut them in half. So you need, if you use this size, you'll need 2 tomatoes per piece of bread. Try not to cut yourself. Maybe use a cutting board.
While you're cutting the tomatoes, I'm going to preheat the oven. What we want to do is go to around 400 degrees. And we'll just let that preheat.
You could also do this in the toaster oven.
Yes.
That's what we used to do, but we don't use our toaster oven no more.
Now the next step is going to be to add some cheese over that.
I do it a little differently, but we'll do it your way. Usually I do the seasoning first.
Oh, okay.
We'll do it your way. So, we have some mozzarella cheese. You could use whatever you want, but typically they use the mozzarella cheese.
Hey guys, if you have Kraft singles, it's gonna work just as fine.
No, it's not.
It won't taste as authentic, but it'll still work.
So it's just like kind of like a pinch. I mean, it's you'll have to play with it like over time to your liking. I mean, I like a lot, but I know he like gets on me when I do that, so I just kind of like do in the middle of a lot and a little.
Yeah, you don't even have to do cheese, honestly.
No, you don't, but it's so good.
It's so good with cheese. Now the next thing you want to do is you want to use your seasoning.
So, we have some garlic. Just kind of
do the finger tap. That's a lot of garlic, but that's okay.
We like garlic. It's good for you.
It's great for you.
I like to have bad breath. You can make out with your significant other after you eat this. And use your Italian seasoning.
Why are you talking so low?
Cause I didn't wanna do the talking for this at all.
All I smell is garlic right now.
I'm an awkward, antisocial person. I can't even speak, so there's that.
It's okay. So that's pretty much what it's gonna look like after it's all said and done before you put it in the oven. So this is a nice before. You don't have to limit yourself to 4 slices either. You could probably fit 8 slices on here.
We're just doing 4 because that's what we're gonna eat right now.
Yeah, we're doing just a few because we don't wanna get fat or anything, or fatter because you know.
Yeah.
It is what it is. But yeah, that's what it looks like before it goes in the oven. Once your oven is preheated to 400 degrees, you're just gonna pop it in there for about 8 minutes, no more than that, or it'll start burning.
This is the worst cooking video ever.
Yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna call it. I think that's gonna be the title for this video.
Thank you.
The worst cooking video ever. There's like just zero energy. Alright guys, so now that it is done, this is what it should look like. It should look very, very nice and toasty.
Crunchy.
It should be very hot. Your cheese should definitely be melted. And you should smell it. It should smell amazing.
Like garlic.
Something that costs literally cents to make. It is absolutely amazing. So we're just gonna transfer it to our plate and then we're gonna enjoy this. And you guys can enjoy watching us eat it.
Make it nice. You gotta have presentation.
Make it nice.
Just because it's ghetto doesn't mean you can't have presentation.
Wow. I like the way the pan cooked it on the bottom.